Arrive in style with this 2015 Chevrolet Traverse LT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: seat trim, leather appointed processing code, white diamond tricoat, front-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, automatic headlights and fog lamps. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.